and high communicative load. We could make an argument that Colonel Tanaka and her whole crew need to be in sensory...
We haven't been able to get Moxie in 4 months.
Tracy Austin and her husband Tony own Frank's Restaurant in Lisbon Falls, Maine, where you can feast on an entree named it.
Oh my god.
Whoa! What the fuck?
We should call.
Yeah. Mom. Yeah, the most I'm gonna go is 10.
Yeah.
Thanks for bringing them in.
Hey, oh cool.
거를 좀 도와줄 겸 해서 쐈어. 엄마가 어떠냐 그랬고 언니가 했더니까 오씨
Oh my god, it was like a movie.
Fucking hell.
You'd walk in, and it was a complete joke because you could just sign in anything and just
right
past them. But
because the temperature guns are gone.
if you normally that was what you would if you were entering a venue or something.
Yeah.
Before rat tests were a thing.
What the heck? Oh! Jesus Christ! What? Oh, girl nearly got...
Well, we took the family to the state park and we camped. And they're like, Joe, what did you do? I went to Brazil and bought some rainforest.
I mean, yeah, you don't have to talk about your investments and things like that.
I think you can just give it all away.
Yeah, do that.
I mean,
you can, absolutely.
yeah. Somebody texted and said that I think that you can like create an LLC or a trust or something.
Yeah, as long as you don't, you can't sign that ticket. That was what I read. You're supposed to sign it right away. If you want to create an LLC, like lawyers and money manager, don't sign it. Not that we'll ever.
Creating an LLC is set to, it takes like 15.
When up against a requester who employs the rule for reciprocation, you and I face a formidable foe. Whether by presenting us with an initial favor or initial concession, the requester will have enlisted a powerful ally in the campaign for our compliance. When up against a requester who employs the rule for reciprocation, you and I face a formidable foe. Whether by presenting us with an initial favor or initial concession, the requester will have enlisted a powerful ally in the campaign for our compliance. At first glance, our fortunes in such a situation would appear dismal. We could comply.
거를 좀 도와줄 겸 해서 쌌어. 엄마가 어떠냐 그랬고 언니가 했다니까. 오씨. 오. 아.